Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog. If you're new to the channel, welcome. So I just wanted to talk to you guys real quick. So as you guys saw in the last video, I did put the Spec-D taillights on, as you can see, flashing behind me. But there was an issue, or at least I thought it was an issue, and it was this. So as you guys can see, I've got one light that is flashing solid and the other light that is going in a sequence. Now, why is it flashing like that? I ended up calling GenRacer because that's where I bought the taillights through, and they got in contact with Spec-D for me. Now, originally they wanted me to make a video of the taillights so that they could send me a new pair, and just to make sure that I wasn't, telling a lie, because I guess they've had issues like that in the past before. So I was gonna actually do that. But then GenRacer got back to me because Spec-D got back to them and thought that they had never heard about this issue before. So what they told me to do was something that I actually had in the back of my mind but didn't, wasn't sure if it was possible or true. I thought maybe they had a pair that flashed solid and a pair that flashed sequential and they mixed it up, but they didn't. And here's what I'm going to show you. So let's head into the trunk here. As you guys can see, well, maybe you can't see because you're seeing flashing right now. So as you guys can see here, I've got the wires pulled out. Now, if you guys recall, I thought I said there could have been a switch. There it is right there, that switch. So, and the thing is hiding behind this rubber grommet right here. So if you guys own a pair of Spec-D taillights and they're doing something similar to this, or they're flashing solid and you thought they'd flash sequential, this is the reason why. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit this button here and you're going to see the result. Let me get you outside the car first and to the light. Okay, so you're right here. And you're right here. Now, as you guys can see, solid. See how it goes to sequential? So you got solid and you've got sequential. So if you guys own these taillights and you want them to flash sequential, there is that switch that's actually inside the light behind the rubber grommet. Now just make sure to be careful when you're pulling that grommet out or taking that grommet out that you don't yank on the wires, because you don't want to damage obviously the flashing or anything like that. And so I just wanted to make this quick video to show you guys this, just in case you guys were having this issue. Obviously, if you're one of my subscribers and you watched the video before, thank you for your input. And to Spec-D, thank you for answering that question. GenRacer for getting the Spec-D so quickly so we could solve this issue, because these lights, they're pretty hot. So let me know what you guys think about this video. Hopefully it helps you guys. Look at that, that is just so dope. So let me know if it helps you guys out. Sorry, I'm a little bit of a hurry. I gotta head to the gym, and me and my friends were all in like this weight loss challenge. I'm trying to win that $1,200 because what I'm starting to realize, I'm definitely going to need some sort of aero or downforce, not necessarily a wing or something, for the Gen, because I'm realizing it's just not cool. So let me know what you guys think about this video. Like, share, comment, and if you're new to the channel and haven't, hit that subscribe button. And you know what I always say? Make no limit. Oh, it's about to rain. Oh crap, it is about to rain. That's how I always say, make no limitation your only limitation. Peace.